Good evening, guys. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. So, guys, I'm here with another live streaming. So, guys, you know that we have started this series of live streaming so that we can help our traders community with their trading decisions. So, guys, you know that I was not able to do live streaming yesterday because the market was dead slow, and even if you look at any pair on anything, then you can find on that what happened on Friday was that all the market was completely dead. Yes, Hassan Bashir, where I was yesterday. So, brother, the answer is very simple. The market was pretty dead on all the pairs. Look at here. Now you can see the momentum. Look, very flat momentum. Look at here. Everything is was dead yesterday. We have seen zero volatility, and like look at AUD USD, no volatility. That's why I thought that it will not be working for us for scalping, so that's why I did not came. And overall, look at even AUD and it was also completely dead. I mean, no momentum in the market, even if you look at the other pairs. So overall, I'm myself very much surprised at why the momentum has gone very much slow during that Friday, because I was expecting there should be some moves, because you know that normally Fridays are very volatile. So but overall, this Friday was very poor, guys. It was absolutely not fine. So we were unable to do anything like this. Okay, guys, even here I'm stuck with a AUD USD trade, because if you look at here, let me show you here. I took the buy position perfectly, because even we go and look at the weekly chart, then you can see AUD USD was pumping up. So, but what happened after I triggered the trade, the market gets slower, and I am stuck with that trade. But overall, guys, we were already done with our weekly profits. I'm going to take you towards account history, and you can see that we collected 4031.48 already, and hopefully this trade will also get fine till Monday or maybe on Tuesday if we get any volatility. So let's see how things go on. But overall, guys, that we have taken during the week through our live sessions. Okay, guys, why I'm doing this live stream? The answer is very simple. First of all, guys, I was getting bored, so I thought that I should go for a live streaming like half an hour, 45 minutes, so that I can come up with your questions. Okay, Thomas Sokol said hi. Hi, Thomas. How are you, brother? So basically, you know that the trading market is off. So everyone who is watching this stream, let me know. And you also already know that the trading market is already closed, and we cannot trade the market. And but I'm open. Alvi Enterprises. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. Alvi Enterprises, brother. How are you? Okay, so why I'm conducting this session? So, guys, I'm just doing this streaming because of the two reasons. The first reason was that I was getting bored, and even I have to trade with me. Salam, wassalam. Thank you, walaikum assalam. Thank you so much, guys. My subscribers, I love you all. Okay, guys, the second reason that I thought that first time see you, Javed Iqbal. Thank you, brother. Told you to buy AUD USD, but I think you cut in loss. No, Alvi, the AUD buy is still into, you can see it's in here, because I took the buy position. Let me show you that I took the buy position from here. But what happened after I took the buy position? The market was dead slow. Look at this momentum. If I put the line here, then you can see the market is just leaning on that line. So I was quite shocked, because normally the Mondays are not, Fridays are not like this. But I'm not sure. Maybe I think so, guys, because I was updating you that this is due to the disease that is widely spread in the world. So it is how it's affecting us. It's affecting us like this because people are some people need the money in the form of hard cash. So that's why maybe they have withdrawn for that for their money from those accounts that were dealing in the forex. So, guys, I was telling you why I'm doing this session. First of all, I was getting bored, so I thought I should go with you for like 45 minutes or 30 minutes. And secondly, I've also have to come up with the news that you should note that the market was very slow on that time. Uh, he said Bitcoin works. Thomas, actually, Thomas, Bitcoin is illegal in our country. We cannot trade that one. And even I personally do not like Bitcoin trading because you can do a very good trading through currency pairs. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, those who are watching this live stream, please like and press the like button so that I can be appreciated that I am here for my YouTube community. So, guys, I'm looking at the likes button. So, we have just 2 likes till now. So, please press the like buttons. Thank you, Tomas. So, basically, why are we going to do this session? Because I want you people to ask your questions if you have any relating to forex trading. Anything, guys, you have in your mind about forex trading, you can simply ask me, because today we are not going to scale the market. Definitely the market is off. So what we can do, we can do a question and answer serial right now, and we can go with question and answer. So guys, your questions are highly welcome. Just make sure that your questions should not be personal in nature. Otherwise, you can ask any questions for the learning purpose based on forex trading. I'm open to your questions and I will definitely answer your questions. Okay, moreover, those subscribers who are just new to this trading channel, let me know if you are willing to subscribe to my daily forex signal service. If you are willing to get the trading system that you can see attached on the chart, if you are willing to get the one-to-one Skype coaching from me for all these, please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. And meanwhile, guys, please like this videos and please like this live streaming and share this live streaming. Okay, what time are the starting to trade on Sunday night? Silver Collector said, okay, brother, let me tell you basically, my time zone is GMT plus 5, and I think so. As per my time zone, the market starts like at 3 a.m. by my time, which is GMT plus 5. So, do you have live stream daily? Normally, Javed Sheikh, we are doing streaming on a daily basis, but what happened on Friday, the market was quite dead, so we were unable to do the live streaming, and most of the traders have even caught the very good profits by doing the live scalping with us. But guys, just make sure that if you want to do live scalping, then you should make sure that you are going with that disclaimer that all of my videos are educational in nature, and I am not forcing you to take a buy or sell position based on my personal approach. Even if you subscribe to my signal service, then it's mentioned in the report that you can read this one. Does the trading system work better in trending or raging markets? So MS Ben said, Ben, basically, let me tell you, it works in both conditions, because I can simply say that if you have not watched my previous live streaming videos, then go and watch this one. You will come to know about it. Your knowledge is invaluable. It's worth getting up at 3 a.m. So, brother, basically, it does not mean that when the market gets started, so you have to come online. Do you open your live trade live? Yes, Javed. Look, this is the Exness real account, and we open live trading during our live sessions. So just make sure that when you come next time into our live sessions, then look, all these trades are executed live. These were not the pending orders. Do you have any information whether this investment is halal or haram? That's so Renor has any. Brother, it depends on the fatwa. Basically, I'm not pretty sure about it. So you have to consult some scholar, Islamic scholar. He will be able to tell you in the right way. But overall, some scholar says that it should be in the form of physical currency, but some have different option. Okay, H4, did you wait for the confirmation of swing or high candle before entering? So Ben, basically we are consulting H1 as well as H4 sometimes when we are not sure about the scalping. So I was consulting H4 before, but overall on the scalping, we are mostly doing scalping based on the 1 hour chart. And how do we do in our trading live session? Like you suggest me with the trades and I execute it. For example, let's say, but right now the market is not good to uh, ask anything from you people, guys. You know that the market was very it's simply that. Okay, just look at here. This is the oversold levels. So the market starts to reject. Getting a bounce from that level. So in this situation, you can take a buy position. So my subscribers know very well about this trading system. But sorry, sorry guys. So my subscribers were taking some mistakes using this trading system. So that's why I started this live streaming. So when I come online, I ask my subscribers to suggest me a trade, and when they suggest me a trade, then I execute as per. Look, first of all, we were doing trading like with the lot size 1 1 1 2 4, and like this we were catching. But later on, when we have more subscribers in that live trading room, then guys, I took a lot up to 8 in my live trading session. Live execution was there, no pending orders, and I taken these all trades in front of my all subscribers. And guys, later on, when we have more subscribers, we switch to 0.10. I traded the expert account. It made good consistent money, and you're still doing expert advisor, another consistent. Yes, brother, I am still doing with expert advisor. Hi, a lot of banks holidays. This Monday could slow. Elliot Taylor, welcome, brother. So, Elliot, let me tell you, Mondays are normally also slow. So, we will have to decide whether we are going for a live coaching, live streaming session or not, because you know that Mondays are slow. Even I have seen, Elliot, that subscriber that they have also increased the spreads. I have a question. For example, you're a JPY. There's a white candle. There's entry over sold quantity. uh, Scott, I will recommend you to please use the super chat option because your question was very much in length. So basically, your comments stay in front of me for just for few seconds, and after that, it got vanished. So those subscribers who are watching this live stream, so please, if you have any questions, use the super chat option. And in the super chat, when you use the super chat option, then I think you will have to pay something little, not much, very little to YouTube, and then your comment will be visible in front of me for like 2 minutes, 1 hour, as depends on your. It depends on your that how much you are going to pay YouTube for that one. So basically, brother, I missed your question. What broker you use? I am using the Exness broker. So this is one of the perfect broker, guys. This is very honest broker, regulated, and as well as it's a very good broker because it's giving very honest withdrawals, as well as it is giving us very. I mean, no problem with deposits and withdrawals. So guys, I will also make the withdrawal, and I will show you that let's have more profits, and then I will make a sample withdrawal for you so that you can come to know about it. Head Horaman, thanks, brother. Welcome. So I think cleared your question. If you want to join that broker, you can play any of my video on YouTube. Just open the description of that video, and you will find that broker link in the description of the video. Okay, guys, keep asking questions, and please use the super chat option so that your comment can be stay here for the longer period of time, so that I can easily read your comment, and meanwhile I will reply to your questions. Okay, guys, I will also go for a sandwich with you people. If anyone wants to share a sandwich with me, then you will have to come here so that we can eat the sandwich together. But I was feeling hungry, so I thought I should have a sandwich with me. Okay, guys, please don't mind and bear me like this because you know that we are doing a very friendly live streaming. How many trades you open daily? Javed Sheikh answer questions about it. So Javed Sheikh, I'm just putting this here so you can see with the 0.10 session. So this is the data that how many trades we have triggered during this live streaming sessions during throughout this week. Too many trades were triggered basically depends on the trading session and depend on the volatility of the market. And you can see we have done exceptional trading results, and this is not a demo account, this is a real account, and we have tried our best with the real account. So that's why you can see the results on the screen that we have done extremely well job during this week. So we just started the series of the live streaming. Okay, guys, further questions? Any other question? How long do you trade with this strategy? So Cole asks, okay, Cole, let me tell you that I am providing consultancy from trading from last 8 years, but I started consultancy from 2015. So I started using this strategy from 2016. Does the arrow change or auto repaint? That said German Walton. So Walton, let me tell you that these arrows does not repaint. Once it has given you a buy signal, it will not change its signal, but maybe on the next candle or even on the more next candles, it can give you more signals, but it does not repaint. However, the red boundaries repaint. So how we use this indicator, the arrow indicator with the red boundary indicator? For example, let's say if the market is in the top red boundary, and if we received a buy signal in the form of white arrow from the scalper, we do not trust this one. We wait for the red arrow, and then if the market is going down, we take a sell position. So how we can copy your live stream? So brother, simply I execute a trade based as my subscribers information, what they say. I simply put a trade on this, and then I rectify their mistakes, because my main purpose of live streaming is not to give the copy trading. The main purpose of the live stream is to bring you all subscribers on to your own feed, because most of the subscribers are dependent on others. So that's why we are trying our best. I am trying my best to teach you everything so that you can do very well. Is your sandwich bull or beer meat? Lol. Silver color, basically it's a sandwich. You can say that it's we have some sort of chicken in that sandwich, and also the fried egg is there inside it. So you can say that it could be a bull, because after eating it, it will definitely give me a boost. Thank you. After price still in future trend line shows, I the price indicator extended the giving. Brother Raja Shekhar, I did not understand your question. Please use the super chat option so that your question should be straight in front of me for the longer period of time, so that I can answer it accordingly. You can see a dollar sign on the screen, so you can just pay some amount to YouTube. It's very little amount, just for the comment purpose, so that I can answer your, because your comment go invisible after some seconds. Okay guys, come up with the next question so that I can answer them. And guys, meanwhile, like this live stream. Okay guys, I am very disappointed on Friday, seriously. Good for you, certainly you deserve your sandwich. Yes, Silver. Basically, brother, I was feeling hungry, so I thought I should have something, because it's also 11:02 p.m. by my time right now, and good time to eat, at least, because I didn't eat anything. So guys, do not waste the time. Ask your questions as much as you can so that I can answer. How much is the price indicator? How much is the price? Okay, Renor said, what is the price of indicator? So brother, you can contact me on info@200forexlist.com. You will get a reply. Great Britain pound was a pain in how to handle this. Great Britain pound USD. I'm live streaming after 2 p.m. GMT plus 5, and then we also do in the evening. Okay, about Great Britain pound USD, brother, the same thing, that I also get panic on AUD USD, because right now it's in a loss. So that suggestion was there on Friday. You can see overall the market didn't go anywhere. So maybe you are also stuck with the trades like I did, because I was not expecting a such slow Friday. To be very honest with you guys, it was a very slow Friday. Overall, not good. So guys, be careful, because the same situation can also be happened on Monday. Okay guys, please asking questions. What such trade you recommend your system? Walton, you can use the system at any time of the day. That's not a problem. But after London session, we trade 8 hours. Do you wait for the print of the opposite candle before entering a trade? Scott, it's better to wait for one bearish candle to take a trade on the next candle. Can you please check gold and AUD JPY? Brother, I do not trade gold, but overall, if you look at it, AUD JPY, it's making the upward momentum, but on Friday the market was quite slow based on the 1 hour chart, and you can see this is the AUD JPY chart. I managed to get my daily profit from a Euro Canadian dollar, but it at least it helps increase in equity. Yes, that was great because if you manage, can I have a bite of your sandwich, Elliot? Yes, Elliot, that will be quite good because I'm going to show you that how this sandwich looks like. So it's a very yummy. You can see there is onion inside it, there is chicken inside it, and guys, also you can see the bread is very crispy, as well as you can see a lot of stuff like egg. And well, it's already done, but overall I cannot show you more. Okay, what else, guys? Is there any earlier trigger to then waiting for a print? uh, Scott, what do you mean by that, an early print? Onion is anti-corona. Eat a lot of it. Yes, it could be. It could be a good option. And guys, my father advised me to take olive oils as much as I can, and you should also use. You should drink some little bit. I mean, 1 spoon of extra virgin olive oil. It also helps us preventing that disease. That is advised by my father. So just make sure that you must use that olive oil for yourself. And also he advised me to put some 2 drops in your nose a couple of times of the day, so that it can help you from that disease. So you can use the olive oil, but make sure that it should be extra virgin olive oil. That is that comes under eatables, and not for applying. So you can use that olive oil. Okay, guys. We are Trader Burger, yes. Yes, we are doing with burgers and everything like this. And we were on the previous live sessions, when we were doing the live sessions like 2 hours, 2 hours, more than 2 hours. Then, guys, I was taking biscuits during that live session, so it was really hard for me on that time. Okay, guys, come up with your next questions, and meanwhile, I will try my best to manage to complete this sandwich. Yes, please ask your questions, because the main purpose of this live stream is to help you people regarding any questions relating to Forex trading. So those subscribers who are using the high spread brokers, I recommend them to please switch to the low spread brokers like Axness that I am using. And we will see the behavior of the market right from Monday, because I have observed that the spreads are increased on different pairs. I took a 4 lot size, guys, on Great Britain Pound JPY on Friday. Let me show you here. Maybe the trade must be somewhere here. Look at here. No, this is not the trade. Okay. 4 lot size was used, and it took me like 3 to 4 hours to catch this profit. That was 188.20. It was quite hard to trade, because when I triggered the trade, then I realized that how much spread it has deducted. Even Exness is very good in the form of, when you talk about the spreads, is a very competitive broker in that scenario. But overall, the spreads were quite higher on Friday, because I think so there was low investors in the market, and that was the only reason that we have to pay the higher spreads on that time. I'm not sure about your brokers, but overall, Exness is a very good broker, but I don't know what happened on Friday. Okay, guys, come up with your questions so that we can also do that session, as well as we can also keep on replying. You broker I trust on a black bull market course spread withdraw money. I like it record scam before I see market. Do you put stop losses? No, brother. When we are doing the live session, we are not putting stop losses. It is an installed system. Yes, brother. This is the MT4 spotted trading system. I will send you the video guide, and you will hardly install that indicator within a couple of minutes. That's very simple to install, and my traders already know it very well. And if you want to get these indicators, then this is the official email, that is info at the rate of 200forexpips.com. You can get from here. How many pairs do you observe? So basically, guys, in my signals report, there are 10 pairs only, like Euro USD, New Zealand USD, Great Britain Pound USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, USD CHF, USD Canadian Dollar, Great Britain Pound JPY, Euro JPY, and at last AUD JPY. These are the 10 pairs. But if you look at my screen, you can see there are a lot of pairs on the screen. So where they come from? Basically, when we were doing live stream, so like Euro, Great Britain Pound, that was added on the request of the subscribers. So they have added more pairs. Yes, I do always hit them, and these two brokers calculated. So no worries, your money is safe. Yeah, brother, I'm very safe with Xmas, because I have already mentioned that I'm using them from 2000, working with them from from last 8 years, and they are pretty good in this market, and they are very honest, and even their Xmas managers are uh, there for support to me on my WhatsApp. They support me all the time, and they are very good. I can simply say that. And they also organize different seminars in my country. So hopefully, I'm going to attend the seminar during that uh, the year, because I won the prize, and I think I will have to collect that prize in that seminar. So when I will collect the prize, then I will tell you what prize I have collected from Xness. They are very very good, to be very honest. I'm not hiding anything from you. They're very good broker. So good brokers are very difficult to verify, but worth is never tried them. I might give a shot if they have a cent account. Yes, you can join the cent account as well. They also provide you with a standard account, pro account. It depends on you. Okay, guys, further questions? Your questions are highly welcome. What guarantee stock this broker? Are you talking about guarantees? I do not understand that what you're talking about. Raja Shekhar, what about another broker? Broker to be Raja. To be honest, I do not have any idea about the other brokers. I'm not even pretty sure about IC Markets and XM as well. So you will have to do some research, or either you will have to ask someone in your country. Maybe they will guide you. When you send the signals, entry levels, if the price break the entry level in the right direction hours before the other one in the back, you enter the trade. No, basically, Elliot, it entered only it happened only on Friday. So otherwise, the re-entry I do not recommend. So once if it goes to stop loss and it's going to hit your 50 pip stop loss, then that is fine. So you can say that it was a bad trade from my side. So better we will do with a good job tomorrow. But overall, re-entry is, I think so. I'd not recommend personally. Okay, yes. Any other one? Someone asked only for Forex. Yes, brother, only for Forex. I saw you also use IC markers. Yes, I use them, but to be honest, I'm not using them from a longer period of time. I just used them in 2020. IC market avoid them. They are not even been sold to Etiro. Yes, guys, that's why I'm also switched to Xness, and I'm using Xness now, because it looks like to me that the other brokers are tough and they have tough limitations, and sometimes I feel that my funds are not secured with them. That's why I personally love Xness. So in future, if I will find some like good broker, then definitely I will introduce it to you. I got so many emails from brokers on a daily basis to promote us on YouTube, but guys, I do not personally do this, because definitely you know that I have a subscribers database on YouTube, and it's my duty that I should not provide anything wrong information to my subscribers. They lost their Asian market, so they are in deep crap. Yeah, brother, maybe. This could be happen. Okay, guys, any other question? Okay, guys, those who are using this trading system, so why don't you share your thoughts about it? Let's have a look what you people think about it, because I have shown you many times in the trading system that we are doing very well and we have caught many profits. Rajashekhar, that's a personal. Okay, the first one. What is your first investment amount? Raja, if you ask me, when I came into this market, then my first investment was $1 with this Exness broker. That was my first investment. Only $1. Only $1. So I started with $1, but I lose many times in this market. But later on, I managed to get rid of losses after I have learned this market completely. I have made so many losses. I'm not sure, maybe up to because I was also a student on that time as well. So, guys, let me tell you, I studied Master of Commerce, and I studied the subject that was belonged to investment analysis and portfolio management, which was in our third semester, and I studied Forex during that time. I have good Fibonacci indicator, accurate target breakout, how to use attach and Adams. I do not. I was using Fibonacci before, but overall it also lags at some level. So right now I'm not using them. So guys, I was talking about myself that I did Masters of Commerce and I study. No, I do not use Fibo. I do not rely on them. So I studied commerce and I studied this subject related to forex trading in my third semester, and I come up with everything like what are called spreads in the forex market, how international market works, what is called the broker in the market, and how you are going to pay your spreads, and what are the means of how you can deposit like this. So I studied everything, and after completing my degree from the university, then I started to go. Instead of doing jobs, I started to go and learn this market, and then I came up with the investment in this that field, and then I started the consultancy in this market after learning this market first, and then I came to my market. So I'm not sure about the other people who are doing forex trading. How do you open your trade, Javed Sheikh? Javed Sheikh, let me know you about that's the top red boundaries, the overbought levels, and the lower red boundaries, the oversold levels. So please join our live streaming sessions next time, so you will come to know how my traders are triggering the trade, and you can watch the previous sessions. I cannot show you, brother, right now because right now the market is closed, Javed. It's not possible for me to right now to take an entry. So you can better you watch my previous live streams. They are already recorded on YouTube and they are available. Why don't you watch those live streams? Because you will come to know that how my traders suggested me with the positions, as I simply took those positions. Okay, guys, other questions? How much time it took to get into profit from losses? So, brother, it took I think so, like 2 to 3 years to understand what is the difference between the white and red arrow and what's the win rate with this system. Walton said. Walton, for the win rate, I can simply say that I do not guarantee anyone, and even if you email me, I will reply the same thing. I do not give any guarantees. But why don't you watch the previous live streaming videos? Because everything will be front of your eyes, and you will come to know about the power of this trading system. It would be much better if you watch it with your own eyes, not to trust me. I recommend you to watch with your own eyes, because when we were doing the trading on the live session using the same indicator system, and then it will tell you what is the success rate. I cannot tell you what is the success rate because I even do not throw any word on it, because I am very serious in that matter, that I do not give guarantees to anyone in that forex market, and all of my subscribers know very well about my nature of my consultancy. I am not among one of the uh, the consultants who are just dealing in this forex market with giving a hope to people. Don't buy this trading system from him. Take me for free. That said Bilal Nasir. Okay, Bilal, if you feel that you want to do this, then it depends on you. But overall, this is not good. So it depends on you guys. Basically, there are a lot of system develops on the same strategy. So we are not sure that what system Bilal is using for his trading, because this trading system was, when it was approached, it was based on many indicators. So it depends on you. It's your choice. So if you want to buy from anywhere, I do not force you. Monday is a bank holiday too, so trading is too, so no trading, I guess. Yes, Adams, I also pretty think so. That maybe the trading is again going to be slow here on Mondays even, and I mean even slow, even seen that normally most of the Mondays are slow, and you can simply go with it. Do you rely on the trend, and how do you find the trend? Raju Patel said, Raju Patel, I think you were taking the live streams, and like for example, if we talk about the trend on Euro USD, it's the upward trend. So we have taken maximum bullish trades on Euro USD. So you can make the trend line, and even if you look at the even if you look at the direction of the indicator, so it will help you to understand how you can do with them. So for example, look at here, I took a buy position with a 4 lot size on AUD USD, and look at the direction of the indicator, it's completely into the upward direction. So in this way you can take and plan your trades according to it. Okay guys, this is my signals report. Let me show you overall there was no volatility in the market on Friday, but overall that's my signal report. So 50 pips is the stop loss for all trades. That's the standard lot size, and Euro USD with a bullish trend. Okay, and the New Zealand USD with a bearish trend. Great Britain Pound USD, I was bullish on Friday. USD JPY, I was bearish on Friday. AUD USD, I was bullish on Friday, and even guys, if you look at here, I took a bullish chance on AUD USD on my personal trading as well. And moreover, USD CHF, I was bearish on Friday, and USD Canadian dollar, I was bearish. Great Britain Pound JPY, I was bearish, and Euro JPY, I was bearish, and at last, that was AUD JPY, I was bullish. So overall, you can say that most of the signal does not triggered due to the slow momentum of the market, but overall it was pretty fine with us, because we were already done a good job during that week already. Okay guys, if you have any questions, then please let me know right now, because this is people watching this live stream. You should know that this forex is very powerful, and the signals are very profitable. Elliot Taylor said, because Elliot Taylor, guys, let me tell you that Elliot Taylor is one of the a person who has taken the personal coaching from me, and I have taught him how I prepare my signals, and he know very well, and he know very well about the trading system. I already told you guys, many trading systems are built on the same approach, but there is a difference in the programming. So maybe your system that looks the same, but it might be difficult from them. Javed Sheikh, thanks sir to show this. Thank you very much, Javed. And next time, please subscribe my channel, as well as press the notification button, so that whenever I come online on YouTube, so that you can catch the live streaming with us, so that we can improve that trading room. So guys, I also recommend you all traders to, whenever I'm doing the live streaming, and whenever I'm posting the videos on YouTube, then please share these videos with everyone, so that we can grow our community. I have seen that when I started the live streaming, thank you, Javed. When I started this live streaming series, I have seen my subscribers have grown massively. There is much improvement in the number of subscribers, because nowadays about forex, people think that everything is a scam. So that's why it's good that we should share to our community that nothing is scam here, everything is fine. Just you will find the right opportunities, and you will be trading with us, and we are open to suggestions during our live sessions. So guys, any other questions, please tell me. Otherwise, we will have to end up this live session because I just came here to say hello, hi to all of my subscribers. So how they had a feel about the Friday trading, because on Friday it was not good. Javed Sheikh, it does not matter where I am from, brother. Basically, I do not ask about the I do not answer about the personal questions. Please don't mind it. So it's important that you learn from me, because your teacher can be from anywhere of the world. It can be from USA, it can be from United Kingdom, it can be from every part of the world. So not be sorry, brother. I really appreciate it. So it's better we learn, not we uh, focus on the nationalities. That doesn't matters, because the teacher can be from any part of the world. Okay, guys, any other questions? If you have any other questions, then please, guys, drop it here so that we can keep the stream. Otherwise, we will have to go offline, and we will post this stream on YouTube. And hopefully, when the market gets settled, then, guys, we will do the live session. Thank you for the live streams. They really make a difference in my trading. Elliot, you're already doing very well. I am quite happy with your results, and I pray to God that you always catch the same results all the time, because you are doing exceptionally well. And Elliot is one of the trader who has learned forex trading from me, and now he's a very good trader, guys. I can personally recommend him, that he's doing very well. So I wish you best of luck, Elliot, and hopefully you will do more good in future. That's my all prayers are with you, my brother. All prayers are with you. So just want to see you profitable in future. Okay, guys. Any other questions? You mentioned about low volatility live stream. Can you show me more example? Raju Patel, low volatility means there was no volatility. I mean, the market was not moving. Look at AED USD, it's simply flat. Look at here. I put a line. You can see where it has gone. Thank you, Elliot. Thank you so much. Look, I personally took a buy position. It's stuck. How many losing trades do you have daily? So you can just watch at the account history. So like 13.50, so that's what we have losing trades. Let me zoom it more so that you can see more, guys. 684, that was the losing trade. 13.50, 13.80, 13.87. What was the losing trade else? 2.50. So overall, guys, we do not have much losing trades. We have maximum winning trades with us, and we have already profited, because you can see on the screen that's 4031.48 already from our live streaming. Thank you, Raju. Okay, guys, what's next? Any questions? Then please post here, because we are not going to give a very big live streaming here. That will be a short live streaming. I told you that I just came online to say you hello, and we're willing to ask you that how your your Friday trading goes, because overall it was a dead slow day for me, and I was really not happy on Friday as well. Okay, guys, any questions? Then please post it here. I'm just going to give a couple of minutes, and after that, I'm going offline with this live streaming, and then we will come back. Depends on the volatility. If the volatility is back, then, guys, we will also be back. If the volatility isn't back, then, guys, definitely we will wait for the market to, let's say, settle down, and then we will come up with another option. Got to go. Stay safe, guys. Yes, Elliot. You know that we already all are stuck at home, so we have to be very careful, and we have to see how you set up the profit and stop loss. Hassan Fakhri, I recommend you to come online on like if we do the session on Monday or Tuesday for the live streaming, then come here. You will come to know everything, or you can watch my previous live streams that are already posted on YouTube. Then you will come to know how we are doing this. So this is already a very already an answered question. So you can watch my previous live streaming for understanding this thing. I have to leave. Thanks. Okay, school. Thank you so much. And I am also going to leave after a minute. So just waiting for a minute if guys have any questions so that I can answer. Otherwise, guys, let me tell you, if you are willing to get this trading system, if you are willing to subscribe to my daily forex signal service and anything else, if you are willing, then guys use this email, that is info at the rate of 200forexpips.com. That is my official email. You should contact me on info at the rate of 200forexpips.com for all your inquiries, and I will be there to help you with forex trading. Okay, guys, let's end up this live stream. Thank you so much for coming and joining this live stream. See you, depends on the market, that when the market gets stable, maybe on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So let's see when the market goes stable, and then we will do some live scalping. Thank you very much for watching this live stream. Please take care of yourself, stay at homes, and please be careful with the disease that is widely spread. So be safe at home. Thank you for so much, guys. Welcome, and welcome everyone. And then I will say that I will welcome everyone on Monday or Tuesday, depends on the market volatility. So thank you so much. Goodbye.